Alright, so this is a room tour of the Harrahs Casino, Gulf Coast, Biloxi, room 502. And we scored a suite, so let's check it out. Alright, so very nice when you first come in. Alright, let's see, so it's got 2 bedrooms. Living room, TV. I'll take you on a little room tour. See what I can find. It's a pretty big living room. It's got a nice full-length mirror, sofa, pretty artwork, it looks like, of the Gulf. Oh, it's a little glary. Let's see if I can get a better picture. Big window. Couple chairs, little table, nice size TV. Oh, it looks pretty big. Big window. So let's see what our view is from this window. Nice. All right, so we can see the pool. Over there's Golden Nugget, and there's the Gulf. Very nice view. All right, let's see what's down here in this cabinet. That looks like just shelves. Ah, there it is. The old mini fridge. Lots of complimentary waters. Very nice. All right, here's another piece of artwork now. There's a glare. But if you've ever been to one of these Harrahs Gulf Coast hotel rooms here, every single one that I've been in has the same painting. I really like it, but it would be nice to have something a little different in each room. All right, so we're gonna head into the bedroom, separated by the living room. Very nice. King size bed. And we have 2 windows. Looks like a couple chairs, another little table. Got our little bar area, it looks like. Make a couple cocktails. Alright. Again, this views the pool and the Gulf from the master bedroom. All right, this is the view from the bedroom. Faces right across the street from their restaurant, the Blind Tiger, which is right on the Gulf. And over there is the Great Lawn. This weekend they're actually going to be having a concert. I think it's 3 doors down. I think they're a Mississippi band, so that's appropriate. But just gorgeous view, gorgeous. There's over there, that's Deer Island. Alright, so bedroom. Something I did notice that's kind of strange is, pretty cool bed, but if you like to watch TV in bed, the TV's over here, which is not exactly centered, but I suppose you could just angle the TV if you wanted to. It'll work. And what I really like about it when they have more than one room in a hotel, they've got 2 different thermostats. So this is the one in the bedroom, they have one in the living room, so I do like that. Alright, so let's check out the bathroom. Looks like we have 2 sinks, coffee maker, shampoos, soaps, conditioners, pretty standard. And just very nice. Little, how it works. Oh, there it is. Nice lighted mirror. All right, check out the bathtub. Now, that's pretty awesome. And you can see across the street, it's in the bath. Looks like the Blind Tiger restaurant. It's just a real pretty view. Put down the shades if you want. Has some nice shelves and bath towels over here. The shower. It's pretty cool because you've got 1, 2 shower heads with 2 different controls. So person on the left can have it hot, steamy. Person on the right can have it cooler. So I just think that's pretty cool. Looks like if you ever need to make a house phone call while sitting there, there's a phone for you to use. I've never had a phone ring in a hotel while I was sitting there, but I guess it's convenient. So again, this is the room, 502 Harrahs Gulf Coast Resort in Biloxi, Mississippi.